Hey everyone, thanks so much for hearing us out here today. It's hard to top those two pitches. We've only been working on this idea for the past 15 days, so I guess here goes nothing. My name is Hasan, this is Adam. We're here to pitch Lisa, and I'll pass it off to Adam to dive into the problem.
Yeah. So the key problem that we're focusing on is that outbound recruitment at scale is incredibly time consuming for hiring managers and talent team. And the fact is, you're using a suite of tools like LinkedIn, GitHub, Indeed, mixed in with a bunch of different filters to be able to go and find the ideal candidate. And this can take up to 20 to 40 hours per position. And think of a high growth company trying to launch their talent acquisition. That's like 40 positions at once. And so we've created Lisa.
So Lisa truly puts outbound recruiting on autopilot. You're able to talk to Lisa as if it's an actual recruiter, put in exactly what search criteria you want, and it's going to scour through a bunch of different platforms to give you exactly what you're looking for. So you're able to do it through giving your own requirements, or you can find a profile of a candidate you already like and get it to run a similarity search. And so you've now gone from hours spent during your week to seconds to define your candidate search. You're also able to now automate the entire process of going through multiple talent platforms and then consolidate all of that discovery into a simple interface where you can actually now go and outbound them, which has shown to be a lot more effective as a recruiting strategy. In terms of traction, we're currently working with a New York-based Series B startup as they start hiring for the next stage of growth. We've already shown a proof of concept and we have a functioning MVP that we met with the CEO and CTO yesterday about, and we're looking towards a company-wide demo to help all the hiring managers go for 20 positions across 5 different departments this quarter and for the subsequent quarters as well.
You might be wondering, why now? For high growth companies, the next avenue for recruiting is outbound recruiting. And the fact is, AI is coming, and there's tons of different tools that are coming up and coming, and there is lots of different need for starting a company. With lots of AI tools coming about, companies are being started faster and faster. And the fact is, these high growth companies will need to be able to compete in the market. And that's where outbound recruiting really shines.
Sweet. So with that being said, the HR tech market is really huge. It's huge, $36 billion. And in that, recruiting software is also huge, $4 billion. So we truly see Lisa end up scaling to close to $100 million in ARR. That's obviously a long-term plan and the vision to get there. But we definitely know that we're targeting a very big problem and the numbers are there to show for it. So with that being said, my name is Hasan. We've got Adam here. I'm more on the sales consumer-facing side, and Adam's more on the tech side. We've worked across large organizations and enterprises within finance, and we've also had experience doing our own ventures and working for a startup as well. We've also been backed by some of the leading accelerators in Canada, recently Next36. And if you're interested in hiring or curious about our product, we'd love to talk to you. Thanks so much.